Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a channel that brings easy, quick, and healthy recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me once again, and for those who are new here, welcome to my channel and hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Write in the comment your name and country you are watching my video, to be able to thank you and greet you for my next video. Today I prepare easy and quick recipe made from the leftover from lunch, Chinese-style fried rice. I hope you able to finish this video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, for you to always updated on my next video. For the ingredients, we need 1 bowl of leftover cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of frozen green beans and thawed, 2 pieces of egg and whisk. Eggs have great amounts of protein, vitamins, and minerals, offering several health benefits, including improving the immune system, increasing muscle mass, and preventing premature aging. In addition, eggs are also composed of the vitamin biotin, vitamin B12, and proteins, nutrients that, together, make the hair healthier. We need 5 pieces of medium-sized shrimps. This has already been cleaned out, so we only need to remove the rest skin. If you have allergy from shrimps or seafoods or high blood pressure, just omit or remove this from your ingredients. Shrimps improved heart and brain health, bone health, anti-aging, and hair loss prevention, anti-inflammatory properties, and easing menstrual pain. Weight management and gastrointestinal health, improved eye health and protection from cancer, low in calories and high in protein. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including selenium and phosphorus. Just take it moderately. While eating too much shrimp may increase your risk of developing high blood pressure, kidney diseases, and other cardiovascular diseases. Highly processed foods contain additives and preservatives for flavor and to increase shelf life. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. Have 1 piece of spring onion cut, slice and chopped finely. Spring onion prevents cold and flu. As it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, IT is an excellent medicine to treat viral and flu infections. Aids in digestion, reduces risk of cancer, lowers blood sugar levels, good for your eye, keeps your heart healthy, boosts immunity, prevents stomach complications. Spring onions are another flavor of spring that is overlooked as a green garnish, yet they are little gems of freshness that can make any meal feel like a treat. They are the perfect vegetable for busy cooks, adding depth to soups, stews, salads, and more. Take a piece from a capsicum, slice and cut into cubes. Capsicum flavor will vary depending on which type of pepper you consume. Some peppers are considered sweet while others are considered spicy. Capsicum, also known as bell pepper, has many health benefits. These include treating anemia, improving eyesight, supporting hair growth, improving immunity, supporting skin health, reducing inflammation and swelling, maintaining heart health, combating cancer. Your feedback. Help us grow. Tell us what you would like to see next. Have a slice from a green bell pepper, though it brings colors to attract the food. Different colors from bell pepper has it also as different taste and different nutritions bring. Bell peppers are also known as sweet peppers. Many people consider them a vegetable, but they are technically a fruit. That is why bell peppers are referred to as sweet peppers, because they are sweet, not spicy. Green peppers are the most commonly used bell pepper. They have a rather bitter taste. Not many people enjoy eating them plain because of this, but they are a popular ingredient in cooking. Chopped and mince the garlic. The flavor of garlic can be described as pungent. Garlic is known for its strong and sharp flavor. Spicy. Garlic can have a mild to moderate spiciness, especially when raw or lightly cooked. Earthy. There's an earthy undertone to the taste of garlic, which can be more noticeable when it's roasted or cooked for an extended period. Current research shows that garlic may have some real health benefits, such as protection against the common cold and the ability to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. For the flavor, we need a pinch of salt and pepper, ½ teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce, and mix thoroughly. My dear viewers, can you still follow the recipe? In a heated pan, put some olive oil and fry the eggs. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be always updated. Explore our playlist for more exciting healthy recipes. Flip it and let it cook for 30 seconds, then remove from the pan and set aside. Now put it in a chopping board and slice. In same pan, let's saute the garlic. Continue stirring until aroma comes. Then add the shrimps. Continue cooking until the shrimps turn into orange color. Now add the green peas and continue cooking for another 30 seconds. Add the mixed flavor, stir for a few seconds, then add the bowl of rice. Keep on mixing until the ingredient and flavor will mix thoroughly. In mixing it, you flip the give a little force by pressing and continue the process until all ingredients mix well. So it's like flip and press, then flip and press, just continue the process. Add the bell pepper, mix well, and by this time you can already turn off the heat. You don't need to cook longer the bell pepper because they can be eaten raw. Chinese fried rice is the quintessential comfort food. Think of it, a bowl of steaming white rice cooked to just the right consistency, filled with bits of meat and vegetable. No wonder fried rice is one of the world's most popular rice dishes. For the home cook, the beauty of fried rice is that it is very adaptable. Like chow mein, it's perfect for those nights when you're cleaning out the refrigerator and want to get rid of any leftover meat or vegetables. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or a frying pan, and is usually mixed with other ingredients such as eggs, vegetables, seafood, or meat. It is often eaten by itself or as an accompaniment to another dish. Fried rice is a popular component of East Asian, Southeast Asian, and certain South Asian cuisines, as well as a staple national dish of Indonesia. As a homemade dish, fried rice is typically made with ingredients left over from other dishes, leading to countless variations. I hope you enjoy and learn from today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.